Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be going through the helpful resources in Power BI, and based on that, I'll be continuing to go through the help menu in detail. In the previous videos, I've gone through guided learning, training videos. In this video, the focus is on the documentation part. And if you see here, I'll click on go in the Power BI desktop. I'll go to the help menu and then click on documentation. So this will give you a documentation of the Power BI desktop, and with all the details and articles and stuff that is related to the Power BI desktop. So this will open up the get started page, as well as some sample data set, as well as how Power BI works, how to install Power BI desktop, and this is giving step-by-step details about how we can connect the data, how we can get all the stuff with the transformation, Power Query, shaping the data, then applying individual transformations to the data, and then combining multiple data to create the data model and visualization as well, to finalize and create a final, you would say, a dashboard where everything is there, including bars, charts, and maps and stuff, as well as you can share and publish it to the Power BI service. So this is giving an overview of everything, plus the tutorials, plus the basic concepts, licensing, security, and how-tos, with the reference guides and resources as well. So all the resources and everything is, it is under one website where we can have seek help from and get started with the Power BI desktop and service, as well as if you are stuck in some things, we can always refer this documentation to get the solution of it. So yeah, this is pretty much it for going through the documentation. In the next video, I will go through some details about the support and other community related help and resources. Thank you so much.